Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid. Guys, in front of you Epson L3251 printer, and maybe you have 3250 or 3256. These all models have same shape. Today I'm going to teach you if you are going to replace waste ink pad counter. If your waste ink pad counter is getting overflow, how to disassemble this ink pad and how to replace a new one. Stay with me and watch the complete video. Guys, right behind of the printer, you can see here one screw, and you can see the shape. It's totally visible from here. You can see it's visible. This is the ink pad actually. So how to remove the existing ink pad and replace with the new one, I'm going to teach you today. Simply you have to open the screw, and then with the help of flat screwdriver, okay, here this is the ink pad. So we have to just remove this screw that is right down over here. Unscrew this screw. Okay, then simply you have to, with the help of flat screwdriver, just like this, pull this ink pad, okay, outside. This is the waste ink pad counter. In case you want to replace this with the new one, if you have, you can replace it with that way. Second thing, you can find it from AliExpress, from eBay, from Amazon. Okay, what is the exact price I don't know. It's around $5 to $10. And if you want to reset ink pad without replacing this, I have many other videos on my channel about how to reset waste ink pad counter of L3250 or 3251. This video was just to show you how to replace physically the waste ink pad counter, waste ink pad itself. So now I will fix it back, same like if you got a new one, insert like this, and then you have to put screw, and then this plastic that you opened earlier, okay, and finally last screw over here, okay. Just replace the screw, and that's it. If you have any other question regarding L3251 or L3250, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.